Hey everybody, I'm Jordan with PDQ.com. Continuing with our Getting Started guide, we're on step 16. We're diving into what makes inventory just fantastic. In step 3, we're going to be covering, or not step 3, step 16, step 3 of what makes inventory so fantastic is custom variables. So for this one, we're going to go to Options and click on Variables, and we're done. Okay, we'll go into more. So we have by default the system variables. These are all the variables that come with the product that have to do with our collections that we have built. So as we update those collections, we'll update these variables. You don't have to worry about that. It's just a list of all the application names and version numbers and things that we need to track for all the collections of the collection library. The real power of this is the custom variables. So this is where you can come in and you can set it to be anything you want. In this case, as you can see, the one we have the example here, we have a whole bunch of things that are separated by a pipe. That's basically a regex OR statement. So someone who used this valid statement went through and said it has to be any of the machines listed here, and it goes through and do the regex and say or, it'll go through each one. If it finds that computer name on any of those, it's going to work. So being able to put regex makes it pretty powerful, but we're going to kind of dive into a simpler version that makes it so it's easy to update. So we're going to come in here, we're going to do Notepad++ because I'm keeping with my theme. We can come in here, we're going to set the version to 8.4.3. I think 8.4.6 is the version we're currently on. I'm doing .3. So the custom variable is in there, and we're going to come back into, we're going to build a new dynamic collection we showed earlier, just so we can kind of show where the variable goes here. So new dynamic collection, and it's going to be application name contains Notepad++. And then we're going to build another one, and we're going to do application version. We're going to do version higher than. And then instead of typing in the actual version, we're going to come in here and select custom and the Notepad++. And OK. And what that's going to do is going to find every single version of Notepad++ out there that has higher than 8.6.3 in there. So where our current version is 8.6. I'm going to say 5, but I'm not sure on that. This video is going to age, the versions will go up. But anything higher than that, so this is all the machines that have the valid latest version of Notepad++, basically. The reason that's so valuable is between this collection or schedules and reports, you're going to be putting in Notepad++ and this version in a lot of areas. You don't want to go through and be able to and have to update each one of those. So by putting in just the variable name, when it's time to update, a new version comes out of Notepad++, we can just come in and update it in one area. And just like that, every single collection, every single schedule, every single report that you have set is going to update with the latest version as well. So it makes it easier to centrally maintain data that might be stored in several locations. And that's pretty valuable. It makes it so your automation and your collection, everything is just easier to maintain, so you can make sure you know exactly what's going on in your environment. For PDQ.com, I'm Jordan.